Welcome to the Luminaire module. We will discuss what is luminaire, main components, optical control, materials, electrical, thermal. Luminaire, a complete lighting unit consisting of a lamp or lamps together, with the parts designed to distribute the light, to position and protect the lamps and ballast, where applicable, and to connect the lamps to the power supply. Connect the light source to the electricity supply. Protect the light source from mechanical damage. Control the distribution of light. Be efficient. Withstand the expected conditions of use. Be safe when used in the recommended manner. The main components of luminaire can be divided to four main: 1. Optical, mechanical, electrical, thermal. Optical control of the light is achieved by some combination of reflectors, refractors, diffusers, baffles, filters. 3 types of reflector are used in luminaires: specular, spread and diffuse. Specular reflectors are used when a precise light distribution is required. The shape of the reflector and its position relative to the light source determine the light distribution. The most common shapes for reflectors are circular, parabolic and elliptical. A circular reflector with a point light source at its focus will produce a light distribution of the type reflections from some parts of the reflector being almost parallel while those from parts of the reflector away from the axis are divergent. This type of circular reflector is used in cylindrical form for picture lighting using tubular. A parabolic reflector with a point light source at its focus produces a parallel beam of reflected light. Moving the light source in front or behind the point of focus will cause the beam to converge or diverge. The parabolic reflector is widely used in spotlight design, either exactly, when the reflector is smooth, or approximately, when the reflector is faceted. Elliptical reflector with a point light source at one focus will ensure that the reflected rays all pass through the second focus. Refractors control light distribution by turning the incident light ray through a desired angle following Snell's law. This can be done using either prisms or lenses. Many different materials are used. Typical values of reflectance for these materials areas shown. Diffusers are transparent materials that scatter light in all directions. They provide no control of light distribution but do serve to reduce the brightness of the luminaire. Diffusers are commonly made of materials that maximize light scatter and minimize absorption. Opal diffuser scattering light on microparticles which are evenly distributed in basic diffuser material. Prismatic respectively microprismatic diffuser, basically these are refractors. Geometric structures such as pyramids, hexagons, spherical domes, and triangular ridges create requested light diffusing by the refraction law. Baffles can have 3 functions: hide the light source from common viewing angles, reduce the amount of spill light, control the light distribution. The mechanical integrity of a luminaire depends on the materials used and the quality of its construction. Steel. Many interior lighting luminaires are made from ready painted sheet steel, white being the usual paint color. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is rarely used for luminaire bodies, but it is widely used for many small, unpainted luminaire components that have to remain free from corrosion. Aluminum sheet. Aluminum sheet is mainly used for reflectors in luminaires. It can have good reflection properties and the physical strength to form stable reflectors of the desired form. Connection to the electricity supply via a connection block within the luminaire. To prevent the connection being accidentally broken, the supply wire should pass through a cable clamp before reaching the connection block. 0. A luminaire having functional insulation, but no double insulation or reinforced insulation throughout, and without provision for earthing. This type of luminaire is not permitted in the UK. 1. A luminaire having at least functional insulation throughout and provided with an earthing terminal or earthing contact, and, for luminaires designed for connection by means of a flexible cable or cord, provided with either an appliance inlet with earthing contact, or a non-detachable flexible cable or cord with earthing contact and a plug with earthing contact. 2. A luminaire with double insulation and/or reinforced insulation throughout and without provision for earthing. 3. A luminaire designed for connection to extra low voltage circuits and which has no circuits, either internal or external, which operate at a voltage greater than extra low safety voltage. LED is an electronic device that lights up when electricity is passed through. LEDs, like all electronic devices, are temperature dependent. LED performance strongly depends on the ambient temperature. Operating LED-based luminaires at high ambient temperatures without proper thermal design may overheat LED packages, eventually lead to short lifespan or device failure in the worst case. Well-designed cooling system is required to maintain long lifetime and high efficacy of the luminaire. Therefore, thermal management is the most critical part within LED-based luminaire design. Thank you for watching.